Hello, in front of me I've got Canon EOS. In this video I'll show you how to retouch images. In the beginning, let's go to menu and next in playback, go to second menu. Enter Creative Assist and now select image. Confirm. And now you can change preset, brightness, contrast, saturation, color tone 1, color tone 2, or you can select monochrome. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.